Said, bitch.
Hey, homie. See, I'm a real nigga. I put that on everything. I do.
Yo, what up, YouTube, man? It's your big homie Kilo coming at you with another sneaker pickup. It seemed like it's been a minute, but it ain't been that long. Shout out to everybody who made it possible for that 1,000 subscribers. Right now, I'm probably up to like 1,200. I ain't checked, but I'm pretty sure right now I'm probably pushing 1,200. So the video is coming, the giveaway video. I'm not going to tell you when it's posted. Just be on the lookout, man. I'm a quick strike it like how Nike and Jordan brand sometimes do some of their releases. That's how I'm gonna do the video. But like I said, shout out to everybody who made that, who hit that subscribe button, got me to that over 1,000 mark now. Today I'm coming at y'all with another pickup. Like I said that wrong. Pickup. What the hell is a pickup? Coming at y'all with another pickup. So yeah, I got y'all at the Air Force base, man. I ain't even in the Air Force. I'm in the Navy, and I got y'all at the Air Force base for this pickup. But it's all good. Stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, today I picked up the Air Foamposite 1 Premium Fighter Jets. Suggested retail was $235. Colorway is black, hyper red, dark gray, and white. Alright, moving on to the shoe. We got an all snow camo upper. Going throughout the whole Foamposite. You got a hyper red swoosh. A hyper red strip going all the way up the tongue. The hyper red 1 cent logo and lightning bolt. You got danger on the right upper of the lace stay. On the heel, you got a 1 cent logo and hyper red along with the lightning bolt on the pull tab. The inner booty is a black mesh along with the tongue. Black mesh. On the inner, on the upper left, you got the no step and hyper red. And then you got the penny 1 cent dog tags. Moving on to the outsole. You got the icy blue bottom. Well, it's not really icy blue, but you got your icy bottom. Pretty standard for the Foamposite. You got your hyper red traction pad, excuse me. Your hyper red and black carbon fiber plate with your black 1 cent logo. On to the insoles. On the left insole, you got your Western standard aircraft insignia throughout the military. Got that on the left insole. And on the right insole, you have your danger injection seat, which is found in a lot of military aircrafts as well. Well, found on all military aircrafts as well.
I'm on that good cushion alcohol. I got some damn bitches I can call. What's that? I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm about to the day I found. Ice like a bunch of narcotics. There work. Pull up in that new Robin. Living like Judd, got it. Come on. Chopping bricks like karate. Drink a bunch of codeine. Serve it to the dope fiends. Blowing money, stay clean.
Alright, YouTube, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Fighter Jet Foamposites. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I got a lot more videos coming in, so y'all be on the lookout, plus a giveaway video. But like I said, I got a lot more pickups I need to review. So yeah, don't forget to rate, subscribe, comment. Make sure you follow me at Instagram @_kilo. I said that wrong again. How long I been doing these videos? @kilo_kicks right here. I always jack that shit up, and I've been doing these videos for a long time now, pushing 4 months. But yeah, YouTube, stay tuned in a minute.